Hey guys, if you're trying to play Valorant but it keeps crashing mid-game, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you several ways to fix this issue and get you back in the game. The first thing you should do is disable full screen optimizations. To do this, right-click on the Valorant app and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and also check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK to save your changes. If Valorant is still crashing, it could be due to insufficient RAM caused by background apps using too many resources. Open your task manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC or searching for it in the Start menu. Click on the Memory tab to see which apps are using the most memory. Right-click on unnecessary apps and select End Task to close them. Outdated software can also cause crashes. Open your Start menu, search for Settings, and go to Windows Update. Check for any available updates and install them. Once installed, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Another common issue is outdated graphics drivers. The easiest way to update them is by using a tool like DriverEasy. Go to drivereasy.com, download and install the app, and click Scan Now. It will check for outdated drivers. If your graphics driver is outdated, click Update and follow the steps to install the latest version. Next, tweak your in-game settings to improve performance. Open Valorant, press the Escape key and go to the Settings menu. Navigate to Video and Graphics Quality. Set all the options to low to reduce the strain on your system. Save the changes before exiting the Settings menu. Finally, use the Riot client to repair any corrupted files. Open the Riot client, go to Valorant, and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and then choose Repair. The client will scan your game files and fix any issues it detects. After following these steps, your crashing issues should be resolved. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.